Hello, Oliver Lepki here, and in this video I'm going to share the power of network marketing. Why is network marketing such a potentially powerful business? It requires few things, but one of the things is discipline. And discipline is where you do certain small things on regular basis and you make sure that other people are doing it as well, so that you multiply those things such that things grow exponentially, or your business. This is called also multi-level marketing because we get paid based on multiple levels. It's also called network marketing because you market your business to your network. But what's really important in this video is about how it works and how the growth works. First, when you start multiplying something, it's really small and it takes a while until it picks up. And it doesn't look like that good, that impressive, which is something that I called network marketing trap, because you put a lot of work at the beginning and you don't see the growth and you think, oh, this is not working, no big deal. Unless you can see the big picture. And this big picture, if you can see it, if you can understand it, then you will work hard through the process of to get there. Make sense? Classic example is when somebody asks you, would you rather take $10,000 or would you like 1 penny to be doubled for a month, for 30 days? So $10,000 is so much money, but if you double 1 penny, you're thinking for 30 days, how much money can it be? $100, $200, $500, $10,000, $50, $100? Well, the reality is if you double 1 penny for 30 days, that is over $5 million. And that's the power of exponential growth. And that's the same principle applies to network marketing, so that you can grow your business, not only do the things by yourself, but when you introduce this business and help other people do the same thing, use the products, introduce products to others, sell a little bit of these products, and then introduce business to others through these people. And that's where multiplication or exponential growth comes in. So that's the power of network marketing. So when you start multiplying yourself through action and efforts of others, and our company will pay you a percentage of that effort, because our company will say, well, if it wasn't for you, these other people would not be doing the business. And they're doing it because of you, because you help them, you train them, and you are helping them use the products, understand products. You also are helping them to grow the business, understand the business, and you're also helping them to grow bigger, their business bigger. So you deserve to receive a percentage of whatever they do, which is fair. So everybody gets paid fairly because we get paid based on performance. But the key is, again, this exponential growth. So that's the power of network marketing, the multiplication and exponential growth. Simply by helping other people and multiplying yourself, you grow your business through other people. You help the company, you help the people, and you get paid for that. Make sense? Absolutely. Now, if you're looking for a company that has an amazing marketing plan, amazing compensation plan, and a great system in our team, then maybe you could check out our company and see how we work. So if you're interested, check some links under this video, or feel free to reach out to me, and I'll be happy to share some more information about our network marketing business, how we work, and how you could join our company and get started. There's no registration fees, there's no membership fees, there's no cancellation fees. You just register completely free, get some products to try to see how great our products are, and you are in business, and you are in this exponential growth business.